First conversation about weather. First conversation about weather សន្ទនាទីមួយអំពីអាកាសធាតុ It's an ugly day today. It's an ugly day today. ថ្ងៃនេះជាថ្ងៃអាក្រក់ I know I think it may rain. I know I think it may rain. ខ្ញុំដឹងខ្ញុំគិតថាវាអាចនឹងមានភ្លៀង It's the middle of summer. It shouldn't rain today. It's the middle of summer. It shouldn't rain today. វាជាពាក់កណ្ដាលរដូវក្តៅវាមិនគួរភ្លៀងនៅថ្ងៃនេះទេ That would be weird. That would be weird. នោះជារឿងចម្លែក Yes, especially since it's 90 degrees outside. Yes, especially since it's 90 degrees outside. បាទជាពិសេសដោយសារវាឡើងដល់90ដឺក្រេនៅខាងក្រៅ I know it would be horrible if it rained and it was hot outside. I know it would be horrible if it rained and it was hot outside. ខ្ញុំដឹងវាពិតជាអាក្រក់ណាស់បើភ្លៀងធ្លាក់ហើយក្តៅនៅខាងក្រៅ Yes it would be. Yes it would be. បាទវានឹងអាក្រក់មែន I really wish it wasn't so hot every day. I really wish it wasn't so hot every day. ខ្ញុំពិតជាចង់ឲ្យវាមិនក្តៅពេករាល់ថ្ងៃ Me too. I can't wait until winter. Me too. I can't wait until winter. ខ្ញុំដែរខ្ញុំមិនអាចរង់ចាំរហូតដល់រដូវរងាបានទេ I like winter too, but sometimes it gets too cold. I like winter too, but sometimes it gets too cold. ខ្ញុំក៏ចូលចិត្តរដូវរងាដែរប៉ុន្តែពេលខ្លះវាត្រជាក់ពេក I rather be cold than hot. I rather be cold than hot. ខ្ញុំចង់ត្រជាក់ជាងក្តៅ Me too. ខ្ញុំដែរ Second conversation about weather. Second conversation about weather. សន្ទនាទី2អំពីអាកាសធាតុ It doesn't look very nice outside today. It doesn't look very nice outside today. វាមើលទៅមិនស្អាតទាល់តែសោះនៅខាងក្រៅថ្ងៃនេះ You're right. I think it's going to rain later. You're right. I think it's going to rain later. ឯងនិយាយត្រូវខ្ញុំគិតថាវានឹងភ្លៀងនៅពេលបន្តិចទៀត In the middle of the summer it shouldn't be raining. In the middle of the summer, it shouldn't be raining. នៅពាក់កណ្ដាលរដូវក្តៅវាមិនគួរមានភ្លៀងធ្លាក់ទេ That wouldn't seem right. That wouldn't seem right. វាហាក់ដូចជាមិនត្រឹមត្រូវសោះ Considering that it's over 90 degrees outside, that would be weird. Considering that it's over 90 degrees outside, that would be weird. គិតថាវាលើស90ដឺក្រេនៅខាងក្រៅនោះជារឿងចម្លែក Exactly. It wouldn't be nice if it started raining. It's too hot. Exactly. It wouldn't be nice if it started raining. It's too hot. ពិតហើយវានឹងមិនល្អទេប្រសិនបើវាចាប់ផ្ដើមមានភ្លៀងវាក្តៅពេក I know you're absolutely right. I know you're absolutely right. ខ្ញុំដឹងអ្នកនិយាយត្រូវ I wish it would cool off one day. I wish it could cool off one day. ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យវាស្ងប់ក្នុងថ្ងៃមួយ That's how I feel. I want winter to come soon. That's how I feel. I want winter to come soon. នោះហើយជាអារម្មណ៍របស់ខ្ញុំខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យរដូវរងាមកដល់ឆាប់ៗ I enjoy the winter, but it gets really cold sometimes. I enjoy the winter, but it gets really cold sometimes. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តរដូវរងាប៉ុន្តែពេលខ្លះវាត្រជាក់ខ្លាំង I know what you mean, but I rather be cold than hot. I know what you mean, but I rather be cold than hot. ខ្ញុំដឹងថាអ្នកចង់មានន័យយ៉ាងណាប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំចង់ត្រជាក់ជាងក្តៅ That's exactly how I feel. That's exactly how I feel. នោះហើយជារបៀបពិតប្រាកដដែលខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ Third conversation about weather. Third conversation about weather. សន្ទនាទី3អំពីអាកាសធាតុ I wish it was a nicer day today. I wish it was a nicer day today. ខ្ញុំសូមឲ្យថ្ងៃនេះជាថ្ងៃល្អជាងនេះ That's true. I hope it doesn't rain. That is true. I hope it doesn't rain. នោះជាការពិតខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាវាមិនភ្លៀង It wouldn't rain in the middle of the summer. It wouldn't rain in the middle of the summer. វានឹងមិនភ្លៀងនៅពាក់កណ្ដាលរដូវក្តៅទេ It wouldn't seem right if it started raining right now. It wouldn't seem right if it started raining right now. វាហាក់ដូចជាមិនត្រឹមត្រូវទេប្រសិនបើវាចាប់ផ្ដើមភ្លៀងនៅពេលនេះ It would be wet if it started raining in the 90-degree weather. It would be wet if it started raining in 90-degree weather. វានឹងចម្លែកប្រសិនបើវាចាប់ផ្ដើមមានភ្លៀងធ្លាក់ក្នុងអាកាសធាតុ90 ដឺក្រេ Any rain right now would be pointless. Any rain right now would be pointless. ភ្លៀងណាមួយនៅពេលនេះនឹងគ្មានន័យ That's right. It really would be. That's right. It really would be. ត្រូវហើយវាពិតជាអាចទៅរួច I want it to cool down some. I want it to cool down some. ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យវាត្រជាក់បន្តិច I know what you meant. I can't wait until it's winter. I know what you mean. I can't wait until it's winter. ខ្ញុំដឹងថាអ្នកមានន័យយ៉ាងណាខ្ញុំមិនអាចរង់ចាំរហូតដល់រដូវរងាបានទេ Winter is great. I wish it didn't get so cold sometimes though. Winter is great. I wish it doesn't get so cold sometimes though. រដូវរងាគឺអស្ចារ្យណាស់ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាពេលខ្លះវាមិនត្រជាក់ខ្លាំងពេក I would rather deal with the winter than the summer. I would rather deal with the winter than the summer. ខ្ញុំសុខចិត្តដោះស្រាយជាមួយរដូវរងាជាជាងរដូវក្តៅ I feel the same way. I feel the same way. ខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ដូចអ្នក Sentences. Number 1. I think it may rain. ខ្ញុំគិតថាវាអាចនឹងមានភ្លៀង Number 2. I rather be cold than hot. ខ្ញុំចង់ត្រជាក់ជាងក្តៅ Number 3. I think it's going to rain later. ខ្ញុំគិតថាវានឹងភ្លៀងនៅពេលបន្តិចទៀត Number 4. That wouldn't seem right. វាហាក់ដូចជាមិនត្រឹមត្រូវសោះ Number 5. I wish it would cool off one day. ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យវាស្ងប់ក្នុងថ្ងៃមួយ Number 6. I want winter to come soon. ខ្ញុំចង់ឲ្យរដូវរងាមកដល់ឆាប់ៗ Number 7. I wish it was a nicer day today. ខ្ញុំសូមឲ្យថ្ងៃនេះជាថ្ងៃល្អជាងនេះ Thank you.